extra protective. He's probably lost someone at one point or something.
Fucking clowns.
You that you're giving my pregnant wife trouble for no reason.
Really?
For your crappy little car? Now what the hell is wrong with you? Tell me what's wrong with you.
Why would I talk to your wife? For what reason? What did she do?
You got hit because you're a fucking idiot.
Because my car was parked? That makes me a fucking idiot. My car has not moved the whole time. So you need to take it down a notch?
I don't need to take it down at all. You're giving my pregnant wife trouble for no reason. Tell me why.
Because she hit my car and she won't give me her information.
She gave you the information.
Sir, she would not give me her information.
She gave you the fucking information.
I'm telling you.
We gave you the insurance card.
It was expired. It's expired information.
It is not expired information, right there.
The insurance card that she sent me?
Yes, it's January. You dumb fucker.
Says expired January.
Yeah. What's wrong with you? You got a dumb fuck in your head?
What year's this year? You want to, really, you might want to step back a notch.
You might want to step back a notch.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, Mr. Reasonable with the phone.
Go ahead.